Here's what the ambient light looks like, and I have it set to like a purple color. You can see it there in the back, here in the front on the doors, and you can see it kind of shines on these little ripples on the door. The bottom part is illuminated, and that translucent plastic kind of shines through that as well, looking really nice. Then we have like a little strip right here going on. This is what the driver's door looks like, and you can see some stuff in the pocket, what it looks like when there's stuff in there. Kind of illuminates it. But we can customize the color and also the brightness. So here in the settings, under vehicle settings, and then lights, and then ambient lights, you can have these dim at dark. So if you want these to dim down a little bit while you're driving at night, you can also control the brightness here. So I have it maxed out. We can bring it down. So there's like level 6, there's level 0, we can turn it off. So there's 1, and then all the way up to 10. So we can do the brightness. We can also link it to drive mode. And let's just go ahead and change the color as well. So you can have like a polar white, moon white, ice blue, it's very white, light colored blue, ocean blue, it's a deeper blue, jade green, orchid green, freesia yellow, sunrise red, oh that's nice, aurora purple, lightning violet, and then you can customize a color. So the customized color right now is like a yellow color, and you can go in here and set custom color. It has this color wheel. You can set what you want here. You can go to a pink or whatever. There's a pink. So yeah, you can set a custom color, and then anytime you choose custom color, it would be that one that you set. You can also have a dual color. So there's these different presets here. Concentration, healing, different things like that. So we'll go into concentration. You see it's a blue and green combo. Healing forest, yellow and green. Wonderful day, which is a red and a kind of like a different white there at the bottom, I guess. Mind care, this is what that's called. And the next one is meditation. Creative moment. And then there is a custom dual color in which you can choose what you want here. So set custom color, and then you have the upper and lower. So there's 2 color wheels here. So we'll just kind of randomly hit different spots here. And then we'll go back. So when we go to custom dual color, that's what we got. Like a red and blue is what I just hit. So yeah, that's pretty neat. The different ambient lights in the vehicle, and they look really good. And don't forget, you also have these same colors are in the back as well.